today we are going to learn English workshop of excuses, a skit. In this English workshop, we are going to learn warming up, margin questions, and English workshop. Warming up chit chat. First, do you come to school on time every day? Answer: yes, I do come to school on time every day, but rarely I come late to school. Second, what do you feel when you are late? Answer: I feel very sorry when I am late to school. Third, what action is taken in school on latecomers? Answer: following actions are generally taken in my school. PE teacher asks them to make 3 rounds of the school ground or pick up the trash and throw it in the dustbin. Call their parents and ask them the reason of being late to school. Send a weekly report of student to parents. 4. Do you give excuses for your late coming? Are they true or fake? Answer: I do give excuses on my late coming. Sometimes they are hardly true. Fifth, why is punctuality so important in life? Answer: there's one famous proverb: early bird catches the worm. One who arrives first has the best chance of success. If the person do his work on time, he will get many opportunities of success in life. Punctual person gets respect in the family and society. Being on time shows that the person is a man of word. Enjoy the jokes. A. Teacher: Asif, why are you crawling into the class? Asif: I'm sorry, teacher, but yesterday you warned me not to walk into the class late. So. B. Teacher: Sharvari, you are regularly late to school. Don't you feel ashamed? Why do you come to school so late? Sharvari: I'm sorry, madam, but on my way to school, there's a road sign that says, go slow. And ma'am, you have instructed us to always follow what road signs say. Can you underline the words in the joke that were used as excuses for late coming? Now, discuss within groups and share some simple jokes about teachers and students. Try to write 1 or 2 such jokes in your own words in the above format. Teacher: why are you late? Student: it rained last night. The road was so wet and slippery that for every step I made forward, I slipped backwards 2 steps. Second, reported speech. Speech or dialogues can be reported in 2 ways: direct and indirect. When exact words of the speaker are reported, we call it direct speech. When exact words of the speaker are not reported but just its contents, we call it indirect speech. For example, direct speech: Amar said, I shall come to meet you tomorrow, Sanket. Indirect speech: Amar told Sanket that he would go to meet him the next day. Note down the changes you observe in the indirect speech. First, reported verb is changed. Second, inverted commas are removed. Third, change in tense. Fourth, change in pronoun. Margin questions. First, in what sense was Ritesh early? Answer: actually, Ritesh came to school very late, when the first period was about to end. So teacher said that Ritesh was very early for the second period. Second, what was the first reason why Ritesh was delayed? Answer. When Ritesh was walking to the school, he heard a scream from the main road. He went there to find out if someone needed help. He saw a person lying near the pavement in pain. Suddenly, another man came running out of the shop with a packet in his hand. The shopkeeper also ran after him shouting, "Chor, chor, catch him." Ritesh ran after them, but they vanished around the corner. That was the first reason of being late to school. Third, what made Ritesh go back to the shop? Answer. Ritesh went back to the shop when he realized that he had forgotten his bag at the shop. 4. When did the dog finally leave the school bag? Answer. When the shopkeeper gave Ritesh some biscuits and he offered the biscuits to the dog left the school bag. 5th. How did Ritesh describe the same dog the second time? Answer. At first, Ritesh describes the dog as a huge, hairy, and brown colored. But the second time he said that it was small, big in size, but a puppy. 6th. Why did Ritesh refuse to take part in the story writing competition? Can you believe his last excuse for refusing to take part? Answer. I think Ritesh refused to take part in the story writing competition because if he showed his interest in story writing competition, his teacher would know the excuses that he had made for late coming. According to me, the last excuse for refusing to take part is really unbelievable because it seems that he is very good in making up stories. English workshop. First, complete the following by inserting the correct words from the skit. The heavy load would not budge. The police arrived to deal with or investigate the crime. My friend lured or offered me to eat chocolates in the classroom. I was relieved to find my lost notebooks. The injured child kept groaning with pain. He stole the cash and vanished in the dark night. Second, rearrange the order of the following events as per the narrator. Answers are given directly. Answer. Ritesh heard a scream from the main road. A man groaning with pain was lying near the pavement. A thief came running out of a shop. The groaning man joined the thief and ran away. A huge dog was sitting on Ritesh's school bag. The dog refused to move. The dog began to follow Ritesh to school. The dog itself found its owner. Third, discuss and write the answers in your own words. First, were the excuses given by Ritesh for his late arrival true? Give reasons for your response. Answer. The excuses given by Ritesh for his late arrival were not true because of the following reasons. First, Ritesh said that he had left his bag in the shop, but he didn't enter the shop before. Second, the description about the dog is changed the second time. Third, the dog was in the shop isn't believable. Second, did the teacher believe Ritesh's stories? How do you know that? Answer. No, the teacher did not believe Ritesh's story. Many times teacher spoke ironically like, interesting, a dog on the bag in a shop, to suggest Ritesh that he was telling lie. Third, why did the teacher suggest that Ritesh should enter the story writing contest? Answer. Teacher wanted to suggest Ritesh that the characters and the events of the story of late coming were false. Therefore, the teacher suggested that Ritesh should enter the story writing competition. 4. What, according to you, is the best way to correct children who are regularly late to school? Answer. There are several ways to correct the latecomers. Here are some. First, inform the parents about the late coming. Second, by finding out the reasons and suggesting remedies. Third, by telling them the importance of time. 4. Double their homework. Fifth, by appointing them as punctuality monitor. 4. Report the following in indirect speech. First, Ritesh. May I come in, madam? Answer. Ritesh requested the teacher if he could come in. Second, Mrs. Sen. Ritesh, you are too early for the second period. Answer. Mrs. Sen told Ritesh that he was too late. Third, Ritesh, I had left my bag at the shop. Answer. Ritesh told the teacher that he had left his bag at the shop. 4. Ritesh, I am sorry, ma'am. Answer. Ritesh told teacher that he was very sorry. Fifth, imagine there is a story writing competition in your school. Frame a notice about the same to be put up on the notice board. Cover the following points: name of the competition, at what levels, date, time and venue, duration fixed for writing the story, points to be considered while judging winners, prizes, and contact person for participant entries. Here's a good example for you. Saraswati High School, Ichalkaranji. Notice: Story Writing Competition 2020. This is to inform all students that our school is organizing a story writing competition on 14th of September 2020. This competition would be held in School Assembly Hall. The date is 14th of September 2020 and the groups are 5th to 8th and 9th to 10th. The timings would be 11:30 am to 12:30 pm and 1 pm to 2 pm. Those who are willing to participate may submit their names to their respective class teacher before 10th of September. Pen and paper will be provided. Points for judging: title, beginning, central idea should be cleared, sequence of events, and conclusion. Topics will be given 15 minutes before the competition. For more details, contact Mr. Sunil sir. No entry fee. Prizes for the 3 winners in each group. First prize is of 1000 rupees plus a shield and certificate. Second prize is of 700 rupees plus a shield and certificate. Third prize is of 500 rupees with a shield and certificate. Headmaster.